What's up, guys? If you think you don't need snow tires, we're gonna prove you wrong today. Let's get started. Guys, we got dumped on last night here in Niagara, Ontario, so I thought it'd be the perfect day to show you the difference between snow tires and all-season tires. I have a ton of my customers say to me, oh, the car is all-wheel drive, I don't need snow tires, I'll be fine, but we always recommend snow tires, and this video is going to explain to you why. If you're anywhere where the temperature drops below maybe 5 degrees Celsius, or there's any sort of snow or sleet or ice, I would recommend snow tires. As always, guys, subscribe to my channel, Cars Unlocked, if you want to see more. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and as always, comment if you have any questions about any of my videos. So today we're out driving two Platinum Nissan Muranos. Both of them are equipped with the Nissan Intelligent all-wheel drive. So one would be fair to assume that they're both going to be great in the snow. However, one is going to perform much better because it is with the snow tires. This one comes with just the all-season tires that you can see here. These are right from the factory. The difference between snow tires and all-season is really with the tread pattern, the sizing, and the stiffness and softness. So in cold weather, these all-seasons are going to really stiffen up, and you can look at the tread. The tread is pretty deep on the inside, but to the outer side, there's only very thin horizontal lines, and you'll see the difference when we compare to the snow tires of this black Murano. So when we look at the snow tires on this black Nissan Murano, you can see that the tread pattern is much different. A lot of the lines are very horizontal lines, and what that's going to do is that's going to repel and push water right to the outside, almost like a force field. It's going to push all the water, the ice, and the slush to the outside of the vehicle to give you a better grip. It will also stay soft in these cold, negative temperatures, so you do get a better grip on the road. So I'm going to punch this thing up to about 60 kilometers an hour, and we're going to hit the brakes and see how quickly this one with the snow tires stops, and we're going to start the countdown. There we go, we're at 60 now. Hit the brakes, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. So that was very, very quick, less than 3 seconds. The stopping distance was very, very minimal. Let's see how the one without the snow tires, the all-season tires, compares. So now we're gonna test out the one without snow tires. This one just has the regular all seasons. I can already feel as I accelerate, it doesn't grip the road as easy. The traction control came on a little bit, but we're gonna get up to 60 here, and we're gonna hit the brakes and see how the difference in the stopping time. So here we go, we're at 60 now. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi. So that was pretty long, and that was pedal right to the floor there. I literally hit the brakes as hard as I could, so almost double the time it takes to stop. And you can see from the footage the distance, a lot longer stopping distance. So there you have it, guys. You can see that the car with the snow tires definitely stopped a lot quicker. It will help in emergency situations, so you can stop a lot sooner when you slam on the brakes. Hopefully you guys all use snow tires. Let me know, but if you feel like you're too cool for snow tires, definitely get snow tires. That's your Cars Unlocked safety warning. Subscribe for more content. Thanks so much for watching.